Namaskar and welcome to Ravindra Bondre channel, YouTube channel. In this, we are studying about class 9 in Science and Technology 2, Heredity and Variation. And in that, we have seen last time genetic disorder. The disorder caused by mutation in genes are called genetic disorder. We have seen last time which are the genetic disorder. They are of two types, either by chromosomal aberration or by changes in the genes. We have seen examples of them. Now today we are looking about monogenic disorder. So diseases caused due to a mutation in single gene. Diseases or disorders caused due to mutation in single gene. एकाच जीन मध्ये अचानक काय होतं, बदल होतो, त्याला म्हणतो आपण म्युटेशन. अँड विच रिझल्ट्स इनटू द डिफेक्ट और डिसऑर्डर इज कॉल्ड मोनोजेनिक डिसऑर्डर. मोनो मीन्स सिंगल. एका जीन मध्ये काय होतं, म्युटेशन होतो अँड दॅट जीन बिकम्स defective, and then the disorder which is called monogenic disorder. There are about 4,000 such monogenic disorders are known today, and these disorders are caused due to abnormal genes. The gene become abnormal genes. Which are the examples? Some of the common examples of this monogenic disorder or mutation in single gene are: number one is Hutchinson disease. Hutchinson disease. Second one is hemophilia. Third one is phenylketonuria. Fourth one is albinism. Then the other diseases are Tay-Sachs disease. Tay-Sachs disease. Then galactosemia. So these are some of the examples of the monogenic disorder. Out of these 4,000, these are most common disorders which are occur in human beings. So another is sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia. Today we are studying about this disorder, sickle cell anemia, in detail. So these are some of the examples of monogenic disorders which occurs in human beings due to mutation in a single gene. So some of the examples, एक example बघू आपण आता. The first example is albinism. The first example of this is albinism. Albinism. The person causing albinism is called albino person. It may be a male or it may be a female. Albino person. How it is caused? Now the disorder caused due to mutation in the gene responsible for the formation of a pigment. This pigment gives our skin color. Our skin is black, white or black and white. Now here black means काळा. Like for example, all Negroes, West Indians are considered as black. Then white means gore, blonde persons, all Europeans and Americans. And black and white means saule, all Asian peoples. They are black and white. So this color is due to the amount of pigment. If more pigment is there, person is black. If less pigment is there, the person is white. And if the percentage of this pigment is in between more and medium, you can say, then the person is black and white. All Indians are black and white because of the presence of this pigment. But suppose sometimes what happens, the gene responsible for the formation of this pigment, which one? The name of pigment is melanin. The gene responsible for formation of a pigment, melanin, undergoes mutation. काय होतं मग आता? When तो जो जीन आहे जो काय करतो, तो कलर स्किनला कलर देतो, आपल्या त्वचेला कलर देतो. त्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, अचानक बदल होतो, तो ते काम करत नाही, तर त्याच्यामध्ये डिफेक्ट येतो. अँड देन द चाइल्ड विच इज बॉर्न is without melanin or without color on the skin, and the defect is called albinism. Now this is a defect or disorder, and some persons suffering from albinism are called albino persons. So the person or the child which is albino child, it has no color on the body. Listen. Then the hairs, then hairs on the body, then hairs on the eyelids, all they do not have color. त्याला एक कोणता रंग नसतो. And the color of eye is red. हा जो रेटिना आहे, हा असतो रेड कलरचा. Why? Because of absence of melanin. And hence such peoples, they grow normally, no doubt, but they can be identified among 100 peoples because of they do not have color on their body, no color on the body, no color on the hair throughout the body, and hence these peoples cannot withstand high temperature. Like in May, if they go in high temperature, then there are rashes on their body, so they have to completely cover their body, otherwise these persons are normal. So generally these are, but in most of the monogenic disorder, what happens, due to defect in the gene, the person dies at tender age. Tender means कोवळ्या वयात. पर्सन डाय इन टेंडर एज, कोवळ्या वयात त्यांचा काय होतो, मृत्यू होतो. ड्यू टू ॲबनॉर्मल मेटाबॉलिझम इन द बॉडी, व्हॉट हॅपन्स, द पर्सन डाईज ॲट टेंडर एज. नाउ दिस albinism, albino persons are otherwise normal, their life is normal, but as they do not have color on their skin, so they have to take care while going outside. So that is all about albinism. Short note for 2 marks can be asked. That write a short note on albinism. So you have to write what is albinism, what are albino persons, how it occurs, what are the symptoms. Symptoms are properties. You have to write. So that is all about albinism. Then the next and main defect we have to see is sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia, and in India near about 2.5 lakh people are suffering from sickle anemia today, and in Maharashtra 11 districts are suffering from this. So 2 lakh people in Maharashtra and 11 districts are suffering from this, and 21 districts are suffering, and out of 21, 11 districts are from Vidarbha region. Means all near about in Vidarbha there are 11 districts. So all districts are having the patients of sickle cell anemia. So what is sickle cell anemia? How it occurs? We shall see one by one. So sometimes what happens, due to changes, minute changes in the molecular structure of proteins or DNA. प्रोटीन किंवा डीएनएच्या मॉलिक्युलर स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये मायन्यूट बदल झाला तरी काय होतं, मग त्याचं रूपांतर होतं डिसऑर्डर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल वी शॅल सी hemoglobin. All of you know hemoglobin. Now hem means iron and globin means protein. So it is a combination of iron protein. Hemoglobin carries oxygen, so they are called as oxygen carriers. So what is their importance in our body? You can imagine. Suppose that if there are no hemoglobin in the body, then the oxygen from your lung to reach your toe, it takes 3 years. But without hemoglobin, and with the help of hemoglobin, it can immediately carries to the required place, all places in the body, and hence hemoglobin play an important role in carrying oxygen. Now what happens in hemoglobin, the sixth protein or sixth amino acid, जो 6वां amino acid है, that is called glutamic acid. The sixth amino acid is called glutamic acid. Normally, out of 20 amino acids, sixth amino acid is called glutamic acid. But sometimes due to mutation in the gene, what happens? This glutamic acid is replaced by valine, and lot of changes takes place in that child. So what happens? The shape and structure of erythrocytes or hemoglobin molecule changes. Normally hemoglobins are, the shape of hemoglobin is like this, dumbbell shape. They are dumbbell shape. So what happens? They can easily carry oxygen. But due to changes in the, due to sixth amino acid present in hemoglobin called glutamic acid is replaced by valine, due to a minute molecular change in protein or DNA. And what happens? As soon as it is replaced by valine, then there is a change in the shape of this hemoglobin. It is bioconcave. Normally they are bioconcave. But as soon as glutamic acid is replaced by valine, their shape is changed and they are now sickle shape. It is called sickle shape. Now their shape is changed. Now this is bioconcave. Now it is sickle shape. Sickle, S-I-C-K-L. Sickle means it is called sickle. Now this is sickle. या प्रमाणेचा we can say half moon shape. The shape is half moon shape. And what happens? Then there is problem in carrying of oxygen. So what are the, and the disease is called now sickle cell anemia. It is called sickle cell anemia. Or the disorder is called sickle cell anemia. So what happens? Listen again. Due to small or minute molecular change in the protein or DNA. In hemoglobin, the sixth amino acid called glutamic acid is replaced by valine, and what happens? The shape and structure of hemoglobin, which is bioconchonormally, changed to sickle, and hence this disorder is called sickle cell anemia. So this is the shape of red blood cells. The red blood cells or erythrocytes, hemoglobins are present in RBC, and these RBC are bioconchoid shape, and due to change in replacement of glutamic acid into valine, their shape becomes sickle shape, and hence normally these carry hemoglobin and oxygen, but due to change in shape there is low hemoglobin, and hence oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin is low because of change in the shape of RBC or erythrocytes. याचा जो आकार हा बदलला RBC चा किंवा erythrocytes चा, हा आकार नॉर्मल असल्यास hemoglobin can carry oxygen, but as soon as its shape change to sickle, what happens? The oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin is now low, and the person is suffering from sickle cell anemia. So what happens now after suffering from anemia, sickle cell anemia? So what happens? Clumping takes place. So there is a clumping occurs, and hence destruction of erythrocytes. हे सगळे जे आरबीसी आहेत किंवा इरिथ्रोसाइट आहेत हे हळूहळू नाहीसे होतात बिकॉज ऑफ क्लम्पिंग. हे झालं पहिलं सिम्पटम. देन as a result of this, blood vessels, arteries, veins, blood capillaries, then kidney, then brain, all these organs, circulatory system, all these organ and lung, so all these organs are damaged, and hence sickle cell anemia is a danger disorder, a danger type of disorder, and it is a hereditary. So it can carry, if a person suffering from sickle cell anemia and he has a progeny, then the progeny may suffering from what is called sickle cell anemia because it is a hereditary disorder. So when it occurs, sickle cell anemia occurs during conception, गर्भधारणेच्या वेळेस होऊ शकतो. But when if the parents are suffering or carrier of sickle cell anemia, or out of these two parents one is sufferer or carrier, and then what happens? Their child's or progeny may be suffering from sickle cell anemia, and hence generally the marriage between person suffering from sickle cell anemia is avoided. कारण या दोन व्यक्तीचं लग्न केलं, एक जरी दोघांपैकी एक जरी असला सफरिंग फ्रॉम सिकल सेल एनिमिया, दुसरा नॉर्मल असेल किंवा त्याचे देखील असेल, तर काय होतं मग? देअर प्रोजेनी इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम सिकल सेल एनिमिया बिकॉज इट इज हेरिडिटरी, अँड हेन्स बिफोर मॅरेज वी शुड check up whether the girl or the boy is not suffering from sickle cell anemia. So there are some tests we shall see within 5 minutes, which are the tests. So question is asked that give reason. The sickle cell anemia test is done before marriage. काय कारण असेल? Because if they found positive after testing, then the marriage should be avoided. Otherwise, lot of problems are created, and their progeny may be suffering from sickle cell anemia. Now, there are two types of sickle cell anemia. दोन प्रकार आहेत. So there are two types of sickle cell anemia suffering persons. दोन प्रकारे we shall see the two types of persons suffering from sickle cell anemia. So the first type is sickle cell anemia carrier. Sickle cell anemia carrier AS. आणि दुसरा प्रकार आहे सिकल सेल एनीमिया सफरर SS. एक कॅरियर आहे, वाहक ज्याला म्हणतो आपण, एक सफरर आहे ज्याला प्रत्यक्ष सिकल सेल एनीमिया आहे. असे दोन प्रकार आहे. अँड नाउ वी शॅल सी सिम्पटम्स ऑफ सिकल सेल एनीमिया. सो स्वेलिंग ऑन द हँड्स, म्हणजे हे हात पाय हे सुजतात, हात सुजतात, पाय सुजतात. कशामुळे? सिकल सेल एनीमियामुळे. सो स्वेलिंग ऑफ हँड्स अँड लेग्स, देन पेन्स इन जॉइंट्स. द जॉइंट्स ऑफ द नी is a joint of leg. So knee or this elbow, there is a pain in the joints of hands and legs. There are general body acting. Body acting म्हणजे काय म्हणतात? जसं हेडेक म्हटलं की आपण डोकेदुखी म्हणतो. बॉडी ॲक्ट म्हणजे काय होतं? अंगदुखी. देन फ्रिक्वेंट मायन्यूट फीवर इन द बॉडी. सतत असणारा, कमी पण सतत असणारा ताप. ऑल दीज आर सिम्पटम्स. देन फ्रिक्वेंट कोल्ड अँड कफ, म्हणजे त्या व्यक्तीला सतत थंडी वाजते, खोकला येतो, अंगाचा ताप असतो, शरीर दुखतं. देन जॉइंट्स दुखतात, सांधेवात ज्याला म्हणतो, सांधे दुखतात. अँड देन एक्झॉशन. एक्झॉशन मीन्स थकवा येणे, पेल बॉडी, शरीर फिकं पडणे. ऑल दीज आर सिम्पटम्स ऑफ सिकल सेल एनीमिया. आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे लो हिमोग्लोबिन कंटेंट. ॲज वी हॅव सीन अर्लियर, बिकॉज ऑफ चेंज इन द शेप ऑफ इरिथ्रोसाइट्स, व्हॉट हॅपन्स? The oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin become low. So these are all symptoms of the sickle cell anemia. So we have seen in Maharashtra there are about 2.5 lakh people are suffering in 21 districts, and among 21 districts, 11 districts are from Vidarbha. Means in Vidarbha, in all districts, there are some persons of sickle cell anemia. So now we shall see how sickle cell anemia occurs. Chances by a table. By drawing a table, we can compare the chances of. So here serial number, man, woman, and progeny, अपत्य. So number 1, if person is AA, now here we can simplify as AA normal, AS we have seen sufferer, AS means carrier, SS sufferer. एक नॉर्मल आहे, एक वाहक आहे, एक सफरर, ज्याला स्वतःलाच तो रोग आहे. ठीक आहे. नाउ वी शॅल सी व्हॉट आर द चान्सेस ऑफ formation of. Now if both persons are normal, means if the male and female both are normal, then progeny is also normal, and it is 100% normal, no doubt. Second, if one is normal or sufferer and other is sufferer or normal. Listen, normal first, sufferer carrier first. Or if male is carrier and female is normal, at that time what are the chances of progeny? म्हणजे दोघांपैकी एक कसा आहे, कॅरियर आहे आणि एक नॉर्मल. जर मेल नॉर्मल असेल फिमेल कॅरियर आहे, मेल कॅरियर असेल फिमेल नॉर्मल आहे. ऍट दॅट टाइम हियर 50% प्रोजेनी आर नॉर्मल and 50% progeny are carrier. याप्रमाणे so 50% progeny is normal, 50% progeny is carrier. तीसरा चार्ज बघू आपण. थर्ड, if one is normal and other is sufferer, or if one is sufferer and other is normal. म्हणजे जर मेल हा नॉर्मल आहे, फिमेल सफरर, किंवा मेल सफरर आहे, फिमेल नॉर्मल आहे, and when they undergo marriage, at that time 20% progeny is normal, then 50% progeny is carrier, and 25% progeny is sufferer. म्हणजे तीन चान्स आहेत. 25% progeny, if male is normal and female is sufferer, or if male is sufferer and female is normal, then all progeny will be carrier. 100% progeny is carrier. So here 100% progeny is carrier. All. Then fourth combination, if both parents are sufferer, male is sufferer, female is also sufferer, at that time here now 25% progeny is normal, then 50% progeny is carrier, and 25% progeny is sufferer. So all types of combinations are here if both are carriers. Now next, if one male is sufferer and male is carrier and female is sufferer, or male is sufferer and female is carrier, at that time what is the combination? Now here 50-50, 50% are carrier and 50% are sufferer. And the last combination, if both the parents are sufferer, then here 100% progeny will be sufferer. So these are all combinations or chances. So first part, पहिला बघा, if man and woman both are normal, all progeny are normal. There is no chances of carrier or sufferer. But here in second combination, if male is normal, female is carrier, or male is carrier, female is normal, then 50% normal, 50% carrier. Third combination, male is normal, female is sufferer, or male is sufferer, female is normal, then 100% carrier. Fourth combination, both are sufferer, male and female, then 25% normal, 50% carrier, 25% sufferer. Then fifth combination, male is sufferer, male is carrier, female is sufferer, or male is sufferer, female is carrier. Then 50% carrier and 50% sufferer. And the last combination, if male and female both are sufferer, then 100% progeny is sufferer. So these are all possible combinations of how sickle cell anemia occurs in human being, and hence generally it is advised that before marriage everybody should undergo a test of sickle cell anemia, and he found to be positive, then he should not undergo marriage, because there is effect on their progeny. Then how the diagnosis of sickle cell anemia is done, निदान कसं करायचं, त्याच्यात दोन टेस्ट आहेत. We shall see test one by one. The first test under National Health Scheme, under the National Health Scheme. So the first test is solubility test. Solubility test. National Health Mission Scheme. Mission Scheme. पहली है solubility test. It is present in all district level. फक्त जिल्ह्या ठिकाणी. दुसरी एक है सेकंड टेस्ट इज इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस. इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस it is done in all rural area by passing electric charge through the sample. त्यातून इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज पास करायचा सॅम्पल मधून. सॅम्पल मीन्स DNA or protein affected part, and then it is called electrophoresis, and it is done in all rural or sub-district level. Sub-district means taluka and rural means gram. So that these are diagnosis and how remedies. याच्यावर उपचार काय करायचा, तर झाल्यानंतर काहीच नाही, पण होऊ नये म्हणून करू शकतो. त्याला म्हणतो आपण पूर्व प्रतिरक्षा. Prevention is better than cure. All of you know the phrase prevention is better than cure. एखादा रोग होण्याआधी तो न झालेलाच बरा, झाल्यानंतर खटपटी करण्यापेक्षा तो न झालेला बरा. दॅट इज कॉल्ड प्रिव्हेन्शन इज बेटर दॅन क्युअर. तर कोणकोणते त्याच्यात, पहिला आहे याचा मार्ग कोणता आहे, कोणत्या मार्गाने होतो हा, रिप्रोडक्शन. आपण बघा सांगितलं ड्युरिंग कॉन्सेप्शन हा रोग होतो कॉन्सेप्शनच्या वेळेस. मग कोणामध्ये होतो हा, इफ आयदर बोथ ऑफ वन इज सफरिंग और कैरियर, then the person, the progeny have definitely either they are carrier or sufferer, and hence the marriage, before marriage all males and females they should check up for the what is called sickle cell anemia test, means solubility test or electrophoresis test. Then second, a carrier, suppose if a carrier or sufferer is there already, so he should avoid marriage with other carrier or other sufferer. Then a person suffering from sickle cell anemia should take the tablets of folic acid. Folic acid, which are iron rich tablets. So these are three remedies for controlling sickle cell anemia. So with that we have finished sickle cell anemia. So in detail, how it is formed, why, what is the meaning of sickle cell anemia, what are the symptoms, and what are the chances of progeny which are suffering from the sickle cell anemia. So with that we shall stop today. So stay at home, take care, and do study hard. Thanks.